voir,
It means to see. In this video, we will learn how to say the verb to see in the past tense and its conjugation with the subject pronouns. Hello and welcome back to your own French learning channel, Learn French with Di.Vi. To conjugate the verb in past tense, we should have the auxiliary verb and past participle of this verb. For conjugating this verb in past tense, we use the auxiliary verb
avoir,
and the past participle of the main verb, which is
vu,
now. We have the auxiliary verb and the past participle. Let's see how we combine this to conjugate the verb in past tense. I saw,
j'ai vu,
you saw, informal way,
tu as vu,
he saw, masculine,
il a vu,
she saw, feminine,
elle a vu,
we saw, informal way,
on a vu,
we saw, formal way,
nous avons vu,
you saw, formal way,
vous avez vu,
they saw, group of males or mixed people,
ils ont vu,
they saw, group of only females,
elles ont vu.
Now that we've conjugated the verb in the past tense, let's explore some examples. I saw a movie last night.
J'ai vu un film hier soir. J'ai vu un film hier soir.
You saw a cat in the garden.
Tu as vu un chat dans le jardin. Tu as vu un chat dans le jardin.
He saw a bird flying.
Il a vu un oiseau voler. Il a vu un oiseau voler.
She saw the sea for the first time.
Elle a vu la mer pour la première fois. Elle a vu la mer pour la première fois.
We saw a rainbow after the rain.
On a vu un arc-en-ciel après la pluie. On a vu un arc-en-ciel après la pluie.
We saw an incredible show.
Nous avons vu un spectacle incroyable. Nous avons vu un spectacle incroyable.
You saw that beautiful painting?
Vous avez vu cette belle peinture? Vous avez vu cette belle peinture?
They saw the football match yesterday.
Ils ont vu le match de football hier. Ils ont vu le match de football hier.
They saw the snowy mountains.
Elles ont vu les montagnes enneigées. Elles ont vu les montagnes enneigées.
Let's repeat the conjugation one more time.
J'ai vu. Tu as vu. Il a vu. Elle a vu. On a vu. Nous avons vu. Vous avez vu. Ils ont vu. Elles ont vu.
For quick reference, I have organized the verb conjugations into a structured table. We will learn some more verbs in coming videos. Till then, please keep practicing. Goodbye for now, and see you in next video. Thank you for tuning in and watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more such training videos and share this video with your friends and family.